Chriso, with these clips that I've got, they're unknown brand, and I bought them online and they're a bit soft. They work all right, but they're a bit soft and I can't hit them out properly, successfully with a rubber hammer. They only sort of half of them come out or break off nicely. So what I do when that happens is just grab the pair of pliers, see how I siliconed in that yesterday, because I didn't want to be held up waiting for the moisture to dry after I'd grouted it. So now I just grout it and that's it. It can stay damp. It's a bit cloudy today and things might be a little bit slow in drying. Just like that. Okay, I'll come back to you soon when I start grouting. Yo, this is Chriso. Keep watching these heaps to learn, people. We'll see you soon.